Paying rent with a credit card can be a convenient option for tenants, but it often comes with some restrictions and fees. To pay rent with a credit card, you need to check with your landlord or property manager to see if they accept credit card payments. Some landlords may have a specific payment processor or online portal that allows credit card payments, while others may not accept credit cards at all. If your landlord does accept credit card payments, you can typically pay online or over the phone. You will need to provide your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You may also need to pay a convenience fee, which can range from 2 to 4% of the rent amount. Another option is to use a third-party service that allows you to pay rent with a credit card. These services often charge a fee, but they can provide a convenient way to earn rewards or miles on your credit card. Some popular services include Rentrak, PayRent, and RadPad. When paying rent with a credit card, it is essential to consider the potential fees and interest charges. If you do not pay your credit card balance in full, you may be charged interest on the outstanding balance. Additionally, if you are using a rewards credit card, you may earn points or miles on your rent payment, but you will also be responsible for paying the annual fee and any other charges associated with the card. To avoid interest charges and fees, it is recommended to pay your credit card balance in full each month. You should also make sure to read the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement and understand any fees associated with paying rent with a credit card. In summary, paying rent with a credit card can be a convenient option, but it requires careful consideration of the potential fees and interest charges. By understanding the process and the associated costs, you can make an informed decision about whether paying rent with a credit card is right for you. Always review your credit card agreement and the terms of your rental agreement to ensure you are making the best decision for your financial situation.